Thinking about sending spicy messages in 2025? The shocking truth is that trusting your most intimate chats to standard social media apps is a huge gamble, with privacy breaches and account shutdowns becoming a harsh reality. Don't risk your digital footprint being forever exposed. Finding the best sexting apps is absolutely critical for truly discreet and secure communication, whether you're flirting with a partner or exploring new connections. We've rigorously tested the top platforms to bring you the safest options for practicing digital foreplay. For viewers eager to enhance their privacy, you can find links to all these incredible apps in the description below to get started right away. Number 1. Signal stands out as our new gold standard for secure messaging. This app prioritizes your privacy with its open-source, foolproof end-to-end encryption and disappearing messages. While its screen security prevents screenshots on your own device, it's still one of the most robust choices for keeping your nudes safe. Number 2. AdultFriendFinder emerges as a reader favorite, perfect for casual connections and exploring kinks in a secure environment. It's a sex-positive platform designed to help you connect without compromising your privacy. Number 3. Tinder remains a top pick for finding hookups and testing sexual chemistry before meeting in person. Its widespread popularity ensures plenty of options, allowing you to gauge interest discreetly. Number 4. Hinge is a popular choice for fostering regular meetups and forming deeper connections, offering a secure space to find someone entirely new while maintaining your boundaries. Finally, number 5. Confide, once our number 1 recommendation for hitting all 3 key privacy marks, is now officially shutting down. This dramatic development underscores the volatile landscape of app security and why staying informed about the best, most secure platforms is vital for safe sexting in 2025.